On this unbelievably quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can select only Uber Eats requests or Uber driver requests on the Uber driver app. If let's say you only want to drive for Uber, you don't care about Uber Eats, or if you only want to do deliveries through Uber Eats and not do rides through Uber, here's how you select that option. The first thing you want to do, of course, is go to your Uber driver app. By the way, side note, Santa Monica right now looks like a prime place to drive, at least at the time of this video. But anyway, you're going to click the bottom left icon. As you can see right away, I have the options of Uber and Uber Eats, and they're both checked. If you don't want to drive for one of them, you can uncheck it. So if I only want to drive for Uber Eats, I uncheck Uber. If I only want to drive for Uber, I uncheck Uber Eats. Keep in mind, as it sounds, if they're both checked, that means you can either get an Uber ride or an Uber Eats ride at any point in time.